Hey guys, how's it going? This is Nate with Creative Grain, and I just want to show you a demonstration of how I use my Graco TrueCoat 360 VSP. This isn't really a product review, more just how to operate the tool itself and how I use it. Real quick though, the VSP, that's for variable speed. It's got a variable speed dial here, and this one is a corded one. It's not the fancy cordless one that uses a dual battery. So this one I got at Home Depot, I think for 250 bucks. It was on sale, so it's in some ways a chunk of change, but for what it does and how handy it is, it's a pretty good deal. So anyways, that's pretty much all I gotta say about it, and I'm gonna do a bunch of spraying right now so you can see how I use it.
Remove the gun and set aside, then unscrew the lid from the flex liner. I had already pre-filtered my paint ahead of time, so it's ready to go. I love using these plastic pourers. They make pouring so much easier and less mess. Now you can just fill halfway or 3/4 of the way, but I found the gun sprays and operates better with a full flex liner. It also makes it easier to evacuate the air too, which you'll see in a moment. Now screw the lid back on. You'll notice a blue arrow on the lid. That must align with the blue mark on the flex liner. Then twist and lock the gun in place. It kind of snaps in place there. And of course, plug it in. Open the vacuum valve cap and turn the knob to the vertical prime position. You'll want to pull the trigger while squeezing the bag to evacuate all the air. I found it's best to actually tilt the gun a little bit at an angle. This helps move all the air a lot quicker. Once you see air bubbles and a little bit of paint, approximately about 10 seconds, snap the cap closed again and turn the knob to the horizontal spray position, and you're ready to go. For these doors, I put the variable speed setting to 8. That works best for the paint I'm using. For this project, I'm just using standard contractor grade flat for priming purposes, which you can pick up at any box store. I prefer to use a number 4 tip that came with the gun. It seems to produce the best results for the projects I work on. When I have a small job like this, I just keep the spray tip guard in the same position. I also don't thin my paint. This gun sprays pretty well with the paint as is. I think I squeezed a little bit too much in my bag, so the paint's dripping from that, not the spray tip. When I set it down, you'll notice a kickstand. That thing works really great to set the gun down if you gotta go take care of something or do something else. Looking pretty good.
So that's it, guys. The Graco TrueCoat 360 VSP. As you can see, it's pretty easy to use. I've used it about a dozen times or so, maybe 15 times. The thing I like about this over a larger unit, which I do have one of those for doing painting my house or large furniture projects or cabinet jobs, this is so easy to prep and use, and also super easy to clean. It takes like 2 minutes to clean the thing. You just have to unscrew this hopper, take the air relief off, and there's a little, right in here when you take it out, there's a little plastic filter. So you take that out, clean it all out, run some water through it real quick, and then clean it all out again, dry it out. It's pretty quick and easy. It's pretty, yeah, that's what I like about it. I need to get back to work, doing other things, other tasks. I don't want to spend 30 minutes cleaning out a tool. So highly recommend it. Yep, I like it.